How to add bots to your Discord server on mobile. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open any browser. Type in Discord bots at the search bar, and then click on the website of top.gg. Once the site is open, you'll see all the bots that is available. You can search for a specific bot at the search bar at the top, or you can look at these top bots and add one of the top bots here. To add a bot, tap on the one that you want to add, and then tap on Invite. Go ahead and log into your Discord. Once you do that, select the server to add this bot to, and then click on Continue. So you'll see all the permissions that you have to grant for this bot. If you don't want to grant any permission, you can just untick it. Scroll down and then click on Authorize. Confirm that you are not a robot. So once you do this, your bot will be added to your server. So this is how to add bots to your Discord server on mobile. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.